Hey kids, it's me, Happy, and today we're gonna go on a really cool adventure. We're at a pumpkin farm and they have tons of fun stuff we could do. We can go ride a train, choo-choo! We can play some carnival games. They have a petting zoo and a vegetable garden. So much fun stuff to do. You guys wanna come with me? Yeah? All right, cool. Well, let's get going, come on.
Hey kids, come on, let's play. Adventures calling the happy way. It's Happy's Adventures, hooray, hooray.
Check this out. We got a yellow wristband. Look, it matches my shirt. I love it already. This is gonna be such a fun time. Let's go see what they have inside. Come on. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's a train right there. We gotta go get in line and try this. Come on, let's go. Most trains are powered by electricity nowadays, but all the old trains used to be powered by steam. Wow. How many tickets, Blake?
So it's 6.
6 tickets? Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets. Ready to roll. Sweet. Some trains can go up to 300 miles an hour. That's so fast. But I think this train, I think it only goes about 3 miles an hour. Look, a really big tractor over there. They use that for like farming and scooping up big loads of dirt. Cool, I wonder what else we're gonna see on this train ride. Oh, look, we're going through a tunnel. Check it out. Wow. Woohoo! This is cool. Yeah. So cool. Oh, and he rang the bell again. All right, here we are. We're almost at the end. I had a lot of fun on this train. I hope you did too. Whoa, look at this cool toy. This looks like a rope here, but wait. This is a special kind of rope for catching cattle and cows and all types of farm animals. This is called a lasso rope. Yeah, and farmers and kids use it today still to catch all kinds of animals. I think this is something that we can use to practice with. Let's give it a shot. It's gonna be really hard. Okay. All right. Oh, I got him. First try. Oh, pull him. Pull him. Oh, man, we got him. Gonna pull him back home to his family and keep him nice and safe. I think there's lots of other fun stuff we should go find. Let's go put this back where we found it. Let's go see what else we can find. Oh man, look at this cool carnival game. It looks like we have to throw the sandbags in the little piggy's mouth. Can I play this game? How many tickets is it?
3 tickets.
3 tickets. Okay, you guys, look. 2 pairs of tickets here. Should I give them this one or should I give her this one? Yeah, we'll give her this one. There's 3 right here. Perfect. All right, here you go. Sweet. Ooh.
You get 4 beanbags.
4 throws. Okay. This is hard. I gotta be really focused. Let's see. Let's try 1, 2. Oh, I made it. Wow. Ah. Okay, here we go. 2 more tries. Oh, man. Whoo, that's cool. I tried it 4 times and I made it once. I wonder if I get a prize. I do? Oh, look at this. Look at these cool prizes. Wow. There's like little dinosaurs in here and spinner tops. These things spin really fast when you spin them on the ground. And, oh, look, little rings. Man, I think I'm gonna pick this little yellow smiley face. I like that. He looks just like Happy does. Awesome. Thank you. See ya. Whoa, we found another really cool game here. Wow, how many tickets is this one? 3 tickets. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. So here's what we gotta do. We gotta take this football. We gotta be like a football player. And we gotta try to throw it into that hoop right over there. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, I missed. All right. Think I can do it? Just gotta take a deep breath. All right, let's try this again. Oh, so close. All right, one more try. Gotta be really focused. I think we can get it. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. I get to get another prize. Yes! Look, all these cool prizes again. More spinny tops, more dinosaurs, rings, all types of cool stuff. I think this time I'm gonna get a yellow spinny top and we'll play with it in a little bit. Awesome. Thank you. Whoa, look at this cool game. Can I play this one?
Of course.
How,
3 tickets.
3 tickets? All right, 1, 2, 3 tickets.
All right, perfect. Here are your rings.
Cool, so we just throw these rings onto the ducks?
Yep, we just want 1 ring on at least 1 duck.
1 ring on 1 duck. Cool, all right. Did you guys know ducks can sleep while they're floating on the water? Yeah, they float on there and they tuck their little heads inside their feathers and they go to sleep. Also, ducks' feathers, they're waterproof. Yeah, they don't get wet. So when they get splashed like this, their feathers repel the water off and they don't get wet. How silly is that? Quack, 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 quack. Oh man, ducks are fun. Okay, let's see if we can get these rings on one of these duckies. Ready? I got one.
All right.
I won a prize. Yes! Whoa, look at all these cool prizes again. Spinner tops, dinosaurs, and even rings. I think I'm gonna pick this silly dinosaur right here. Cool. Thank you. See you later. Guys, come on. I think there's one more game we should play. This one right here. How's it going, Andrew? Can I play the bottle game?
Of course.
How many tickets?
3 tickets.
3 tickets? 1, 2, 3 tickets. There you go. How do we play?
Yeah, 4 shots.
4 shots?
Yeah, lay them all down and win a prize.
Okay, cool. Very cool. Hey, did you guys know, way back in the day, before you could buy milk at the grocery store, there was a milkman that would come and deliver it to your house. Yeah, how silly, right? It's kind of like the mailman. And you'd leave your empty bottles outside. He'd come by and fill it up with lots more milk. How cool, right? Let's try to knock him over now. Ready? Let's go. Yeah! One more try. Here we go. Super speed. Got it. Yeah! Do I get a prize? Man, we're getting so many cool prizes today. Man, lots of cool ones again. We got more spinner tops and rings and dinosaurs. Oh, I love strawberries. Strawberries taste so good. I'm gonna keep this one. Cool. All right, let's go. Look at him over here. He's standing on the rock. Goats are really friendly and soft. They like to climb trees and mountains and even stand on top of other farm animals. How silly are you? Hi, goat. Do you know what kind of noise a goat makes? Here, come look at him. Bah, bah, bah. Hi, goats. Hi, bah. Yeah, I'm the goat. Yeah, hi, goats. Bah. Wow. Also, did you know that baby goats, they're called kids? Yeah, K-I-D-S, kids, just like us. Wow, that's a silly fact. What you eating, little guy? That looks yummy. All right, see you later. Let's go see what other kind of animals we can find. Oh man, come look at this. This is a real donkey. Hi, little donkey. It's got such soft fur. Did you know donkeys are really strong animals? They can carry a lot of heavy weight on their backs. They're even stronger than horses that are the same size as them. Yeah, and they like to eat hay and grass and all kinds of fruits and vegetables. You're a nice donkey, huh? Wow, look, this is a real life turkey. He looks kind of scary, but he's very nice. Look, oh, he's soft with bird feathers. Wow. Do you know turkeys like this in the wild can actually fly? Yeah, they can fly. Oh, look at he's perking up. Oh my gosh, look, there's even pigs here. It looks like they're sleeping. Shh. Pigs, oh man, they feel kind of scratchy. Most people think that pigs are really dirty animals, but they actually like to be clean. Piggies do roll in the mud, but you know they do that so that they can cool off. Pigs can't sweat like us when they get really hot. So they have to roll around in the mud and stay wet to stay covered from the sun. They also really like belly rubs like this. Hi, little guy. Oh, yeah. Look, it's a real llama, too. Hi, buddy. Yeah, look at that. Llamas have super soft fur. Llamas also really like to have friends. They don't like to be alone. They like to have lots of friends. And llamas are also silly. If they get really mad, they'll spit on you. Doo, doo, doo. Say, get away, doo. They don't always bite you. They just spit on you. Doo. But he looks nice. It's a sheep. And I got a little bit of food for him. Check this out. Wow. He's gonna eat it. So fun fact about sheep, they got really long and soft hair. And their hair, just like our hair, grows and grows and grows forever. So they have to get cut with shears. Yeah, farmers will use shears to cut the hair off. And then we use the hair to make like jackets and blankets and all types of clothing and fabric. Wow. That was a lot of fun in here in the petting zoo. I think it's time we go see what else this place has to offer. Let's go. Oh man, after touching all those animals, we gotta be sure we wash our hands really good so we don't get any germs or get sick. So, we're gonna use a little bit of soap and we're gonna scrub really good. We're gonna scrub my palms. We're gonna scrub the back side of my hand right here. And then it's important to get in between your fingers, just like this. Want to make sure we get all those bubbles and get all that stinky smell off there. Woo! Yeah! Ah. Let's see. All right, then we're gonna turn it on, rinse it up real good. Oh yeah, I'm feeling nice and clean. Ah, so much better. All right, let's go find some more adventures. Boom! Ha ha ha! Whoa, look at all of these pumpkins here. There's like 1 million pumpkins here or something. Jeez. Pumpkins are really cool. Did you know pumpkin is a type of fruit? Yeah, some people eat pumpkins. Animals especially really like to eat pumpkins. Pumpkins also, they feel really heavy, but they can float on top of water. Yeah, they really can. And the world's largest pumpkin that was ever grown was 2,700 pounds. That's like bigger than an entire car. So crazy. Man, well, I think we should go searching in this pumpkin farm and we should try to find a very small pumpkin, a medium-sized pumpkin, and a really big pumpkin. Let's go see if we can find those. Come on. Oh man. If we're gonna try to find a really big pumpkin, I think I'm gonna need a little bit of help carrying it. I see the perfect tool over here, look. You know what this is called? This is called a wheelbarrow. Yeah, and you use it to load it up with really big and heavy things like big pumpkins, little pumpkins, dirt, trash, and then you can pick it up, roll it around, and dump it. Cool. I'm gonna take this one. This one looks nice, just perfect. Okay. Seems cool. Let's go find our pumpkins. Oh, stop! I found our first one. Look how teeny tiny this little cute pumpkin is. Oh man. All right, I think we found the really small pumpkin. Let's put this guy in the wheelbarrow and let's keep searching and try to find a medium-sized pumpkin. Let's go. It's nice and round. It's got a nice handle on the top. And it's a good medium size. Oh, it's heavy, but not too heavy. I'm gonna put this one in the wheelbarrow. Let's go. Okay. There's 2 pumpkins. All right, now we gotta try to find the biggest pumpkin that we can around here. Let's go searching. Come on. Look at this one over here. It's so big and tall. Wow. This one, I think this is a perfect choice for our big pumpkin. No, it's so heavy. Yeah, got it in that wheelbarrow. Woo! All right, let's go lift it up with this wheelbarrow and bring him over here. All right, so we got our really big pumpkin here. All right, this guy stay right there. And we got our medium-sized pumpkin, and we got our little teeny weeny cutesy pumpkin. Well, we found our small, medium, and really large pumpkin. We did it. Thank you for the help. That's 1, 2, 3 pumpkins. Let's go see what other kind of cool stuff we can find around here. Come on. Whoa, you guys, look. I could get a super silly face painting here. I gotta do it. Let's go. Hi, I'm Happy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Olivia, nice to meet you. Can you paint a picture of me?
Absolutely.
Oh, yes, let's do it. Come on. What? No way. That is so cool. Look at this. Thanks, Olivia. That is awesome.
You're welcome.
That's so silly. Hey, do you have any tips for the kids if we want to be artists too?
Yeah, absolutely. If you like to draw, the best thing you can do is draw every day. So get a sketchbook and sketch in your sketchbook. You can sketch your parents, you can sketch your brothers and sisters and your pets. Just draw every day and you'll get better.
So cool. Thanks, Olivia. You're awesome.
Welcome.
See ya.
Absolutely. Bye.
Whoa, you guys, what's going on over here? Check it out. Looks like you can go mining for dirt and stuff like that. Cool. Let's go get some dirt over here. Come on. Six tickets? All right, I got 1. Oops.
Sorry.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you.
Cool. I'm excited.
Okay, and do you know how this works?
Can you tell me a little bit? How do we do it?
So you come over here to the trough. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on to that baggie and you can dump the bucket in.
Okay.
So you can get all the sand out.
Dump the bucket in, get all the sand out, just like that.
Grab it by the 2
See that?
handles.
Cool. Okay. 2 handles this way?
Yes.
Yep.
And dunk it in the water and sift it from side to side.
Whoa. Just like this.
And you pull it out and you can see all your cool gems.
My gosh, look at all those cool rocks and gems.
And if you go over there to that chart, you can take all your gems and see which ones you found.
Cool. Thanks, Lily.
You're welcome.
You're an awesome help.
Of course.
All right. Look at these. We got these cool rocks with some different textures. And look. How fun was that, you guys? That was really cool. I'm going to take these home and these are going to be my special little treat. Hey, come on. Come check out this garden right here. Look. These are some hot peppers. Yeah. Have you guys ever had a pepper before? Where you bite into it and it's so hot in my mouth. I need some water. Oh man. I don't really like spicy food. Let's go see what other kind of vegetables they have. Oh, and look, more peppers, but these ones are called bell peppers. And look, they're a lot bigger and they have these little bumps on the bottom. Look, 1, 2, 3 bumps. These are not as spicy. They're a little bit sweeter and you can put them in salads, lunches, and dinners and stuff. And wait, look at this over here. Tomato plants. Yeah, look. These are tomatoes that you can also put on salads, sandwiches, ooh, or even cheeseburgers. I love cheeseburgers. And look, this is green. You see how it's green? That means it's not quite ready yet. You know how you know when it's ready? Is when it turns really red like this one. That one's super red. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Oh, these are so good. I could eat these all day. My gosh, I gotta get out of here before I eat them all. Here in this planter bed, we have what looks like a pumpkin plant. Wow. These look like they need to grow a little bit bigger, but check it out. It's a full-on orange pumpkin. Just in time for Halloween, huh? Look, there's so many in here growing. Think we could try to count them? Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 pumpkins. That is so many. Whew. Man, I'm tired. We had a long, fun day today. We got to go on a train ride. We got to play some games. I even had a silly picture drawn of me. I had so much fun with you guys. I think I need to take a rest now. See you guys at the next happy adventure.
What a happy, fun-filled day. More adventures on the way.